Hey everybody, I'm Emily Henderson, and this is the Mountain House. This house was built in the 60s, and then it has additions from the 90s, so it makes the architecture a little awkward at places, including the windows. The windows were a mix of aluminum and vinyl. There are some rooms that didn't have any windows, and some that had really awkward sized windows. Natural light is extremely important to me as a human being, but especially as an interior designer, because it just makes every room come alive. So I knew that it had to be a priority, and that making sure that these windows were beautiful and functional and really streamlined and fit the style of the house, it was important.
I fell in love with Marvin's signature narrow frame windows in white oak
because it is just so simple but really warm. The windows in the living room, they were a huge focal point of the whole house actually, but they were really thin. They were letting in a lot of the cold, letting out the heat, and because I had kids, they made me nervous. Now the windows are even more of a statement because that white oak is so beautiful. At the same time, it keeps us warm in the winter and it just feels a lot more safe. So we walked through the house and we really tried to envision what the potential of natural light and what the windows really could be in each room. And working with the Marvin customer service, they gave us really good ideas on not only, how to get the best light, but also functionally how the window should open and close. These scenic sliders totally transformed the family room. It was kind of the room that nobody wanted to be in. It was a little dark, and now it is, I think, probably the #1 room in the house, because once we open those sliders, the kids can run in and out, and you really get a sense of indoor-outdoor, and it makes the whole house feel bigger. We worked closely with the Marvin team to design these beautiful custom doors. I had something in my brain, but I had never designed doors before, so they really helped guide me. The kids' play attic was basically a crawl space, so we designed a window that could actually work with the roof line and bring in natural light, obviously, but also a lot of whimsy. The windows really frame the view outside, so what you're looking at are the trees, and they really become almost like a piece of artwork in your house. So as you can see, these Marvin windows really help transform the space and bring my design vision to life.